Pixel phones will be able to read your heart rate with their cameras. Coming soon, Google Fit app. It will measure not just your heart rate, but your respiratory rate. This is pulling on technology we've actually seen in the past. You may recall previous Samsung devices that would let you hold your fingertip up to the camera. It would illuminate the fingertip and be able to tell your heart rate without any extra special watch or external type of device. It's kind of a cool feature, but they got rid of it. I believe the last model to feature it was the S20. Oh, no, the S10, actually. The S20 didn't have it, of course. I'm going to just use the S20. The company removed the feature as soon as they got to the S10e. Now, it isn't probably the most accurate version of this type of a meter, but it is cool to have as a backup kind of system. If you're in a pinch, you need to take the heart rate. The respiratory is kind of cool as well. It will use your front-facing camera. You'll position yourself. There's a diagram if you scroll down. You position yourself in front of it. It will capture your head and your chest and be able to tell your respiratory rate, detecting small changes in your chest. And this integrated into the Fit app can just learn a little bit more about you and get some of these variables that normally would be reserved for people who purchased a secondary device outside of their smartphone.
Yeah. I noticed that she's wearing clothes, so it can detect, I guess, if you're...
You noticed that she's wearing clothes.
Well, I thought it's really cool.
I didn't notice she was wearing clothes. I just assumed that anything on this show, any human on this show would be wearing clothes.
Well, this cartoon here. But
do your cartoons normally not, Will?
Well, I thought it was really impressive that it can detect it with clothes on.
No, I'm just messing with you, Will.
Yeah.
I'm just
How dare you?
I'm just messing with you. So anyway, yeah, some cool new health features coming into the app on your Pixel. No need for any other smart wearable.